Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Building a Website with Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Creating a website with Python is a rewarding endeavor that allows you to leverage the power of this versatile programming language. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building a simple website using Python, Flask, and HTML. Flask is a lightweight web framework that makes it easy to get started with web development in Python. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Flask. Open a terminal and install Flask using the following command. Step 2. Create project structure. Create a new directory for your project. Inside the project directory, create a file named app.py for your Flask application. Step 3. Write the Flask application, app.py. Open app.py in your text editor and add the following code. Step 4. Create HTML template, index.html. Inside the templates directory, create a file named index.html and add a basic HTML structure. Step 5. Run your Flask application. Go back to the terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the following command. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser to see your website. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a simple website using Python and Flask. This is just the beginning, and you can extend your website by adding more routes, handling user input, and integrating databases. Explore Flask's documentation and continue building upon what you've learned in this tutorial. Happy coding! ChatGPT.